everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 715 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm going to be trying out the NATURE'S CARTEL Lipstick in the shade Gin Platonic, which I just got in my January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will of course have that video linked in the description down below. But I'm really excited to try this out because I don't think I've tried any products before from the brand NATURE'S CARTEL. But honestly, what really makes me excited about this is the description that Ipsy has in this pamphlet here. Like, they did a great job with this description. It says, here it is, the perfect pink. This universally flattering rose-colored lipstick boasts a creamy, non-drying formula that feels as comfy as a balm on lips, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. That sounds amazing to me, and I am so intrigued by this perfect pink shade, and this is called Gin Platonic, which I think is just such a cute name. It says the product is non-toxic and 10-free, so it's free of all those bad ingredients. So that's awesome. And really cute packaging with this like leopard cheetah print, and the packaging on the product itself I feel like is really cute and different. So this has a retail value of $15. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I thought it looked like a brick red shade when I first looked at it, but let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah, it is a nice creamy texture that reminds me of a lip balm texture, but it seems like it's swatched like how it looks here in the stick, like this brick red, maybe like raspberry tone. It's definitely intriguing and it looks really pretty, so let's just go ahead and see how it looks on my lips. Ooh, this was actually a lot easier to apply than I expected because of this like fully round shape. I was thinking that it would be kind of hard to get precise, but it's actually like the perfect shape to get the lower lip with a smooth line and to get the top of the lips in a perfect shape. So that's awesome. There is one layer, but I feel like it's not full color, so I'm gonna go in with a second layer. It is very nicely buildable, and I think it is a beautiful, flattering shade that I could definitely understand how this is universally flattering, but I don't really consider this a universally flattering pink shade. I think this is a beautiful, universally flattering red, kind of almost burgundy shade, but that's besides the point. I think this applied great and looks great. So as per usual, my lips are very dry, but I feel like they were extra dry today because I wasn't able to drink as much water as I normally do. But even still, this looks so hydrating on my lips, smooth, even color. I like to do zoomed in views of the products now so that you can really see what it looks like. Even though it's a little bit unflattering to get that zoomed in, I'm going to show you anyways. It has a standard lipstick finish, like I would say a cream finish. It's not too shiny, it's not matte, but I'm really curious about the transfer. Yeah, that's about as much transfer as I would have expected. And it did fade on my lips with that transfer. So this really is like a standard lipstick formula to me in how long it's gonna last, the finish of it, the amount of pigment, but it's beautiful. It's a great lipstick, and I love lipsticks like this. So I'm happy about this. I will definitely get great use out of it because it really is such an easy red lipstick to wear that can work for both daytime or nighttime, and very versatile with different eyeshadow colors. And I just really love how this company is the non-toxic, 10-free, vegan, cruelty-free. So that really makes me want to try out more products from this brand. So definitely, if you've tried this lipstick or any other products from Nature's Cartel, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.